Learn English Kannada. Can you equals.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to power up your Kannada in minutes? Let's have fun and get you asking for help like a pro. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart path to real-world language skills. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more tips, videos, and practice. Today's star is can you, which in Kannada is
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
think of it as your polite key that unlocks help everywhere. Your goal today. In 2 minutes, you'll ask smoothly and politely in Kannada. Goal. Say, can you? Clearly and kindly. English. Can you? Quote. Kannada.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
Tip. Keep your tone rising at the end, just like a question. Smile helps. Mini dialogues. Listen, repeat, and imagine the scene. Lost traveler. Excuse me.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ? ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ.
Local.
ಹೌದು, ನಾನು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ.
At the market.
ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ? ನನ್ನಿಗೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
Vendor nods, you both smile. On the phone, start polite.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
End with thanks.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Forms and variants. Level up your toolkit with handy variations. Polite default.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
Extra courteous.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
Informal to a friend.
ನೀನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
Negative check.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಲಾರಿರ?
Equals, can't you? Use gently. Useful add-ons. Help equals.
ಸಹಾಯ.
Where equals.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
Please equals.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
Thank you equals.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Pronunciation drill. Follow the beat and echo after me. Me.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
You.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
Me.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
You.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
Me.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
You.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Call and response. Me.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
You. Yes please. Then add Kannada.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
Quick quiz. Test yourself, fast and friendly. Q1. How do you say, can you? Politely in Kannada? Hint. Starts with.
ನೀವು.
A.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
Q2. Say, can you? Please show me the way. A.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ? ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿ.
Q3. Which is extra courteous, add what word? A.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
Culture tip. Sound kind, get kindness back. In Karnataka, pairing.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
With.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
Feels warm and respectful. Try a gentle head tilt and open palm gesture, like offering space for the answer. Bonus smile magic included. Laugh break. A tiny joke to anchor the phrase in your brain. You whisper.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
To an automatic door, and it opens. Congrats, you speak fluent robot Kannada now. Your turn. Real world challenge. Time to use it out loud, du kannst das. Scenario A. Ask a passerby for directions. Say.
ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಸ್ ನಿಲ್ದಾಣ ಇದೆ?
Scenario B. Ask for help with a photo. Say.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ? ನನ್ನ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಡುತ್ತೀರಾ?
Then thank them.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Small steps, big wins. Goodbye and keep going. You did great, lock it in with quick practice later today. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
Whenever you ask for help, and add.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
For extra politeness. For more lessons, videos, and quizzes, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.